Hit the like and subscribe for more dirt bike stuff.
Granny shifting, not double clutching like you should.
I put my radiators back on. So since it has these crossovers, I'll probably put this side on first. Loosen these clamps up. Throw some grease in these. Throw some grease here, obviously. Grease there. Get this one mounted up. Loosen these clamps up. Slide these into those. Got to go back on there. See if we can figure it out. Get the radiators on. Leave these loose. Leave that one loose. The one down there loose. Haven't even hooked these up yet. Get them mounted and get your bolts in, but leave your bolts loose. Those will be the last thing you tighten up. Leave these all loose. That way you can get all these to their little happy homes. Tighten all your clamps up and tighten these up last. In case anything's in a bind, you don't want it to be in a bind. You want the water to be able to flow like it should. Now that got all these tightened up, hooked up and tightened up, got those down there, those, got your four that mount the radiators, got your radiator braces mounted back up. Make sure your drain's tight. Those are all tight. Brackets back on. Those are tight. Fill it up with radiator fluid. Should be good to go. You put the pipe back on. Slap it up on there. Put your spring back on. Hook your spring up. Add one if you're missing one. Put your pipe brackets on. Keep everything loose though. Keep them all loose. Give it a little jiggle and then start tightening everything up, because you want it to be able to move, kind of like a power pole moves when the wind starts blowing, or a building moves when the wind starts blowing, because if it can't move, it'll break. So, and make sure everything's tight. You slap the subframe on. I'll always get the breather on, get the breather tight, and then stick all my subframe bolts in just loose by hand. Get them all started to where they're good. And let's take the subframe and give it a little jiggle. Make sure that you get any binds out of it, because you don't want to break the subframe. Subframes are expensive. Should probably tighten my chain, like Bert said. Loose chain and high bars. That'd be alright. Loose chain and high bars. Make sure you got radiator fluid. Got radiator fluid. That's good. Turn the gas on. Turn the choke on. Make sure there's no cops coming. Hope your bike starts.